Hello everyone, let's solve the question earliest time to finish one task which came in the weekly contest 467. So let's read the question is you are given a 2D integer array task where task of I is s of I comma t of I, and s of I is the start time of the task and t of I is that much units of time it takes to finish. So if an task is starting at t is equal to 5 and it takes 6 unit of time, so at what time it will the task will complete is 5 plus 6 is 11. At t is equal to 11 this task will get finished. So what we have to do is we have to return the earliest time at which at least one task is finished. So that means start time plus time taken, we have to return the minimum of that. Okay, so basically this task will complete at t is equal to 7, this task will complete at t is equal to 5, because start it is starting at 2 and it takes 3, so total is 5. At time 5 it will get completed. Now we have to return the earliest time, so we are returning here 5. Here all the tasks will get completed at 200 and the minimum is 200. Okay, now how we will solve a simple solution. We will have to just find the sum of these two. That is here int answer. Let's say, and as we have to find the minimum, I'll take the max value initially. For int I is equal to 0, I less than tasks of cast of length I plus plus. Answer is equal to mat dot minimum of answer comma sum of tasks of I of 0 plus tasks of I of 1. Yes, now we can return this answer. Now let's run this and see. Yes, output is 5 and in the second case 2. Let's submit this solution. As you can see, our solution got accepted. This was a simple way to solve this question. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.